Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Angela and this is my sweetie, Zara. This is my granddaughter. Zara, say hi to the peeps.
Hi.
Okay. You all, let me make a disclaimer. I am not a cook. I don't profess to be one, and I don't play one on TV, okay? But what this video is about spending time with your children and your grandchildren. This morning, today is Saturday. On Saturdays, my normal routine is to start the day off with a run. I met with my running crew. We did our usual run. And then after the run, I went to the city market with my daughter and my daughter-in-law. And so the city market is a place here in Kansas City, like a farmer's market. You can get fresh produce, homemade goods, and things like that. So while we were at the market, we found, tell them what we found, Laura.
We found cookie mix.
And so what is it about this cookie mix? Tell them what your grandmother Angela is always looking for in terms of food and cooking things and what I eat.
Something easy, healthy, and you can read all the ingredients.
That's right. And so you can pronounce all the ingredients. And so this cookie mix, what caught my attention about this cookie mix is it has very few ingredients. What's the name of the cookie mix,
Yummylicious Food Company.
Okay, and so when we were talking to the woman that was selling it, her push was what? The ingredients are organic.
Yes.
No preservatives, is that right?
Yes.
No chemicals, because as a matter of fact, what is her slogan, Zara?
Our passion is baking, not chemical engineering.
So you know that got your grandma Angela's attention, right?
Yes.
And now, I told you all, I'm not a cook, but guess who is one? This little one right here. And let me tell y'all something. It runs in her family. Her dad's side of the family, all of them can cook, okay? And so I think she's got that in her blood. So today we're going to make these cookies. So Zara, tell them, let's do a close-up of the package and the back of it, and tell them what ingredients, what else do we need to add to the cookie mix.
Well,
so you see the name.
These are chocolate chip cookies, and all you need is the cookie mix, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 egg.
Okay, and so I think we have the ingredients ready, Zara, right? Let me look in the cabinet and get the vanilla, but where are the other ingredients, Zara?
They're on the stove.
Okay, let's see, that's on that. So get those ingredients and take those over there. And how much vanilla do we need?
You need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, so here's the vanilla. Now let me put that there. Let me get the measuring spoons. Okay, here are the measuring spoons, and let me get the scissors so we can cut it. And so, like I said, one thing about, I like good food, I love good food, but cooking just ain't my thing, okay? But I mean, you know, I can put some ingredients together and make it taste. I can put some ingredients together and make it tasty for me, okay? But the main reason I'm doing this is this. This gives me time to bond with my granddaughter. And that's why I'm a big advocate of adults spending time in the kitchen with your children and your grandchildren. We have gotten away from sitting at the table, eating dinner, preparing meals together. That's precious time. And let me tell you guys, it's nothing like it. It's just a great bonding activity. So anyway, enough preaching. Let's get with it. Okay, so she's primarily the head cook. So I'm just going to, you know, follow along and she will give me instructions, okay? So let's get started, Zara.
Okay. First, we're going to...
So do we need to pour the mix into the bowl? So we have our glass bowl.
We need to cream the softened butter and with the sweetener packet.
Oh, okay, so I think you have to open this though, right? To get the sweetener packet. Oh, I see, y'all didn't even need the scissors. Okay, so she's gonna open that. And of course, our hands are already clean. We washed hands. Okay, so do I need a mixer, Zara?
Yes, it says with an electric mixer.
It says for electric mixer. Okay, so let me get a mixer.
I'm guessing this is the sweetener packet.
So do you need the scissors? Because I still have them. Okay, so what is that now, Zara?
This is the sweetener packet.
Okay, and so what are you to do?
We need to cream the butter and the sweetener with.
So do you want to check the butter to see if it's soft enough to cream?
Okay.
Okay, and as you're doing that, while you're doing that, I'm going to plug in the mixer.
I think it's soft enough.
You think it's soft enough? Okay. So let's go ahead, put the butter in the bowl. And I don't know, do you need a knife to kind of scrape all of that? Or if you think that's good, you're, like I said, this is your baby. You're in charge. Okay. Very good. And so then we'll put that in there. We'll move this. So we've got our butter in there, and then you need to put your sweetener in there.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to plug this up somewhere else so that we can get that. So I'm going to put the mixer here. And let me go over here. While you're doing that, I'm going to plug this in. So give me a minute. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so after creaming the butter and the sweetener, what else do we need?
We need to add the vanilla and an egg.
Okay, so do you have an egg and do you have the vanilla?
Yes, we do. We need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Take it away, baby. Put some vanilla in it. Yeah. I'm going to put that vanilla in there. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Got it. I'll take that. I'll take that. Thank you, ma'am.
And then we're going to add the egg.
Okay, so 1 egg. And then I'm going to put this over here.
And it says mix thoroughly.
Okay, so like I said, this is your baby. So I want you to whip it. Whip it, okay? Now let me behave, okay? Okay, so go ahead, Zara, and whip that baby up.
Oh, it says mix, not to.
Oh, do we need a fork?
We can use this.
Oh, okay. This is your baby. You're running the show. I'm just here to assist.
Yeah, it does feel like it would need some liquid.
That's what I'm. Look how that looks. Doesn't it look like you? Okay. That's what I'm thinking, Zara, that we need some kind of liquid, but
Or just following the recipe.
just following the instructions on the back of the cookie dough, right?
Yeah.
Oh, were we supposed to preheat the oven? Oh my God!
it
I
says-
told y'all I'm not a cook.
Preheat the oven to 375.
Oh my God! Okay, let me preheat this oven.
This video is not sponsored.
In other words, her grandmother bought this. Okay. Let me get a cookie sheet.
You want to mix it until it's getting smooth like this.
Now, Zara, the lady that made this cookie dough, she told us we can make big cookies, right?
Yes.
But you were reading the instructions, and what did it say?
You can make large cookies, or you could make normal size or small.
So what are we gonna do?
Well, they were selling cookies, and their cookies look pretty big, so maybe we could do a bit smaller.
Okay. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some parchment paper on the cookie sheet. Okay?
Okay. I wonder if it was just brown sugar in that bag.
It looked like it was just
Yeah.
brown sugar.
Okay.
So I have the cookie sheet ready. The oven is, I am preheating the oven, and so we're chugging right along. So what's next?
We have our wet.
Ingredients.
Yeah, we have our wet ingredients, and step 3 is to add all of the dry ingredients.
Okay.
I feel like we need some liquid.
I'm thinking it needs liquid too, but I told her when I bought it, I said, give me your card because I'm gonna let you know whether or not we like this. So
The recipe does not call for any liquid, so we're kind of suspicious with that.
yeah, that seems strange to us. I wonder, would it be better if you had a whisk, or this is fine?
I think this is fine.
Okay.
It's already getting crumpled.
It is. You all know I have no business having some natural, delicious cookies up in this house. No, but I'm going to share them. I'm going to share the love, okay? Sorry, that looks...
Very dry.
So you know what? Although I'm not a cook, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of almond milk to that.
Yes.
So let me get some almond milk. We're gonna add a little almond milk. Okay. Yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah. I see oats in the side of it.
Yeah, actually, why don't we read, Zara, can you read the ingredients in the cookie mix? They're good ingredients. Read the ingredients.
There is semi-sweet chocolate chunks, cocoa butter, vanilla extract, whole wheat flour, organic dark brown sugar, butter, whole egg, organic or evaporated cane sugar, organic rolled oats, organic oat bran, organic cold milled flax, vanilla extract, salt, and baking soda.
Yeah, and you can see the oat. Oh my God, you can see the oats in here.
Yeah.
So this is good. Okay, Zara, do you think, is this ready to form
I think
into
so.
the cookies? Okay, so let me get a napkin here, and I'm gonna bring the cookie sheet on the table. Here is our cookie sheet with the parchment paper. We're gonna put it here. And so Zara, go ahead and just start forming those cookies and putting them on here.
I mean,
Do you need anything? Well, it depends on the size, Zara. So maybe we could do 4. We could do 12 because we could do 4 this way and 3 this way.
Okay. And we're gonna expand.
Yeah, we're gonna expand. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Okay.
There's a lot of chocolate chips in here.
There are a lot of chocolate chips. It's part of the reason I got it. I love chocolate chip cookies. Or not later, but after these cook, then we'll do that. Now we are to bake them how long, Zara?
We had to bake them
Let me wash my hands.
for 12 to 15 minutes.
Oh, okay, 12 to
I mean
15
16 to 18 minutes.
16 to 18 minutes. Let me get this. Okay. So let me wash my hands over here. Okay. So I believe the oven is ready, Zara. Yep, 375. So I will wait for you to. Now you get the cookies, Zara, and let's put them in the oven because the oven is ready.
Okay. Here are the cookies. Cookies.
Okay, and so let's put them in the oven now. And then Zara, let's set the timer. We're gonna cook them how long? 18 minutes, you said?
16 to 18 minutes.
So let's, I know my oven, so let's put them on 18. Let's put it on, set the timer for 18 minutes. And then start. Oh, that's 18 hours. So push it again. So 18. So here, timer. Yeah, it's 1-8. And then start. Okay. So let's wait for those to cook. And actually what we could do, Zara, if you want, I have a smaller cookie sheet and I could take that one out. So let me get that. We can line that one with parchment paper and go ahead.
Here's the remaining dough from making 12 cookies.
So let me put more parchment paper on this one. Okay, Zara, here's another cookie sheet, so let's go ahead and put the rest of that in here. Very good.
So in total we made 18 cookies.
And so as you can see, our bowl is empty. We're gonna let those cookies bake and we'll come back to you when the cookies are done. Okay, so Zara, I think the cookies may be ready, so let's check and see if the cookies are ready. Look at them.
They
ready?
definitely look ready.
Okay, so take them out and let's put them over here on the counter. So let's go. Oh my God, let me use the. So here are the cookies. Oh, they look delicious. We're gonna do a taste test. So Zara, you want to let me get a plate. Okay. So Zara, let's take the cookies off. Let's see. Oh my God, yeah, they are easy to take off. And then let's do a taste test. Oh, they smell delicious, guys. Oh. Okay. So Zara, let's go ahead and put this over here. Put this here. So Zara, you want to go ahead and do a taste test?
Okay.
Go ahead, and let us know what it tastes. And I want you to be 100, okay? Tell us. How's it taste? Oh my God, okay. Oh guys, I have to try one. Let's see, let's try it. These cookies are delicious. Easy to make. Oh, and they taste so good. They're good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be a part of our family. This channel is about living your best life. This channel is about taking care of yourself, loving yourself, eating well, moving your body, and just being in good spirit. So you know how we end it. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. See you. Deuces. Peace. All right.